Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices, and today we have a couple of things. One brief, and then one we'll go over. But we have the extended parking lot sale. We have the extended parking lot sale. We'll go over something briefly, and then also we're going to go over the best deals going on during January super coupons. They started officially yesterday, and we're going to go over everything 30% and above. If you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing, and let's go ahead and start with extended parking lot sale this Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I don't know if they're going to skip on the weekend deal. We'll know more hopefully tomorrow, but at the very least, they're going to do a Friday, Saturday, Sunday extension of the parking lot sale. Of course, we have the 30% off all jump starters and battery chargers. If you missed the parking lot sale, hard to miss, but if you missed it. And then real quick for this one, part of our new instant savings has Viking 4 amp fully automatic microprocessor controlled battery charger maintainer. Normally $40, down to $35, 12% off. Battery charger maintainer, 30% off all battery chargers. And here's a Viking one. So extra 12% off, get an extra 30% off of this. Get it down to $24, $24.50. HARBROs, let me know if it works out for you. 25 bucks. Does anybody have this charger? Let us know how it works. But that's one of the possible stacking, unless you have some Grinches at your Harbor Freight. Of course, 30% off all plasma cutters and welders, 40% off paintbrushes, 30% off hammers and hex key sets, and 35% off all matics, just in case you didn't get your OBD2 reader. Then we'll just go into, zoom in a little bit, the best deals going on through February 1st. So they're ending relatively quickly. Chief, 3-inch by 1/16 inch by 3/8 inch type 0141 cutoff wheels, 5-pack, 33% off. The reason 30% off is our minimum best deal is because when they do sales like this, parking lot sales, they'll do minimum 30%. Sometimes they get up to 40%. But coupons, the HARBROs know, best ones range between 30, 40. Sometimes they get up to like 56% for dollar days mostly. But 30% is the sweet spot. We continue. That was the Chief cutoff wheels, 5-pack, $4, 33% off. Next, Bauer cutoff wheels, 4.5-inch. Perfect time to pick them up. Normally $8, $5, 37% off compared to Spider. Now we have some Warrior 3-inch screwdriver bit set, 36-piece, $8, normally $13, 38% off. Then we have the Bunker Hill Security, 115 lumen wall mount solar security lights. Your choice of black or white. Don't discriminate. $9, 30% off. Normally $13. Then we have Pittsburgh, the double end flare nut wrench set, 5-piece for $12. Lifetime warranty. This is an honorable mention. I did say 30% off minimum, but 29% is very close. And especially for a very specific type of wrench style, the flare nut wrench set, which is one of my favorites on the double end. Your choice of SAE or metric. I think one of the HARBROs said these were no good. So remind us, are these any good? Maybe just for the DIYer who's not doing too much work. But $12, 29% off, honorable mention compared to Craftsman. Then we have the Franklin 80-inch, 144-inch, extra large double-sided moving blanket for $13, 35% off. These maybe get up to 40% off. I don't think this was, maybe it was one of the 50% off sales, but $13, normally $20, 35% off is a great deal on this moving blanket, especially if you're moving. And then we have the Chicago Electric Power Tools, 1.3 amp variable speed rotary toolkit, 31-piece, $15, 34% off. Normally $23, so great discount there. Then the Chicago Electric, again, 100-watt soldering gun kit for $20. Normally $28. Does come with some soldering. 28% off. Again, this is an honorable mention just because it's such a unique, specific tool. And at 28% off, you're almost at the 30%. So solid get still. Next, Chicago Electric fixed shade welding helmet at $20. Normally $30, 33% off, and this will get close to, I think they did have a sale recently up to 40% off of welding helmets. So this is in the ballpark. Still a really good discount. Not the greatest deal, but still a really good deal. Next, Pittsburgh, the compression test kit, 8-piece, 20 bucks as well. Normally $35 though, 42% off. Excellent discount. I don't think we'll see this type of discount. 40% is a steal of a deal. That's steal of a deal category. Here it is, 20 bucks, compression test kit, 8-piece, 19.99. Next, Central Pneumatic, 11-gallon portable air tank. I have a few honorable mentions, 28%, but again, for the unique tool that isn't going to go on sale too often or won't be part of any major 40% off sale, here we have 50 bucks, 11-gallon portable air tank, normally $69.99. That's a travesty, but it's 28% off compared to Performance Tool. Then, of course, we have an Icon Alert. Icon Alert, honorable mention, but because Icon, I mean, you're not going to see outside of the big parking lot sales or ITC appreciation, these go more than 35% off. But we'll do the math. Here's $35 off of $135, gets us to 26% for the aluminum bearing sealed driver set 16-piece. 26% for anything Icon is an excellent deal. So good time to get it if you're in need. 99 bucks, normally 135. And those are the best deals going on right now during the newest set of super coupons. Some decent ones here. Appreciate the feedback from the HARBROs if they're skipper buys, but I feel like at these percentages, they're all worth considering. But of course, the big thing is extended parking lot sale. Any of the HARBROs not have a chance to get out there during the parking lot sale? Did you miss out? And now, fate has it, you have another shot at getting potentially what you missed out on. Let me know. Let me know if you're going back in or if you're going to avoid it like the plague again. And let me know what you think of the best super coupons for the remainder of January. But I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and or subscribing, and consider hyping, and consider checking out the merch store. Brought to you by the HARBRO wallet. Hats are available. Getting a little bit down in inventory. Some great feedback from the HARBROs. Send me your pictures. I've seen a couple pictures that have come my way, but send me your pictures of how you like them. Hopefully you do. But as soon as I have some more deals on anything, I will send them your way.